Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change the default country code in Gmail. This is a pretty simple process, so I will jump right into it. Now head over to Gmail and press this gear icon and then press See All Settings. And there's a tab showing the default country codes in phone number. So change the country to whatever you prefer. Let's say I'm going to change to Argentina and go to the bottom and press Save Changes. And this process will change the default country code of your Gmail. It's a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.